Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I will be demonstrating how I sublimate a love frame as well as the sublimation wine caddy. Stay tuned. All right, guys, these are the sublimation prints that I created in Canva. I'll leave the size of the dimensions in the description box for your reference. And I also use my Epson 16600 to print all of my sublimation prints. The sublimation blanks I'll be using today are from the one and only Burnes blanks. I will be sublimating one of our love frames as well as our sublimation wine caddy. Now, what I will say about these blanks is that they're very high quality, extremely lightweight, they're not too heavy, and they're easy to work with. These are the supplies used whenever sublimating just about anything, and also remember your scissors and parchment paper. One thing you have to do before prepping and pressing your sublimation wine caddy, you have to remove the film. There's like a really clear thin film that's over top of the wine caddy. Please make sure you remove it 100%. If not, you will destroy your wine caddy. The same thing applies to your love frame. Make absolutely sure that you remove that film before prepping and pressing. This step is very important. I always like to make sure that I take a lint brush and I remove any type of lint particles that may be on my sublimation blank before applying it to my design. Now, what I'm going to do in this instance is I'm going to place my blank kind of like at an angle on top of my sublimation design. It's just a preference thing. It's just how I wanted the outcome to be on the actual blank. Now, this is always the fun part. Don't laugh at me, guys. I love to make sure that all of my sublimation blanks are taped down. When I say taped down, you'll see how much tape I use. I use a lot of tape, but I mean, it's just me. Some people use maybe 3 or 4 pieces of tape. I probably use about 100 pieces. No, I'm just kidding, but I do use a lot. So you'll see I'm going to do the same exact thing with the love frame that I did with my sublimation wine caddy. I'm just going to make sure that there's no lint particles. And I'm just going to place my sublimation love frame on top of my design. Now, I realized that I made my design like almost the same exact size as the frame. And it actually worked out perfect, but I just had to be very careful to make sure that the frame wasn't outside of the design because I didn't want it like any white spots or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and tape everything down and get ready to press. I will be pressing the sublimation wine caddy first using my 16x20 Iconics heat press. I'm just going to place some parchment paper on top, and the time and temperature used is 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Use a medium pressure but not too firm. I'm going to press the love frame using the same process. Okay, so I was going to wait until both of the blanks were done sublimating before I removed the paper and revealed the design, but I just couldn't resist. Take a look at these colors. Take a look at the quality. Just popping. Nice. Really, really vibrant, beautiful. And look at that design. Didn't I do a good job, y'all? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about my design. Now I'm going to remove the paper as well as the tape from the love frame so that way I can apply the stand. The stands are included with every frame order. All you have to do is just remove the paper backing so that way you can reveal the adhesive sticker and place it on the back of your stand. What I like to do is stand the frame up, kind of place it upright and place the stand on the back of the frame without attaching it. So that way you can get your placement in order before you actually stick it together. This is how the frame look after the stand have been assembled to the back of it. This set is really, really nice. And I'm not just saying it because I came up with the design. It's just very nice. I really like it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I assemble or how I kind of just prep everything and prop everything up for photos. So you're going to place the wine caddy on top of your drink preference, whatever you decide to use. And I'm just going to add a couple of glasses, and there you have it. A very nice setup. This is great for Valentine's Day, just because day. You can give this as a gift to someone else, or you can just make it for yourself. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please leave a comment in the comment section and just give me any recommendations that you may have for the next video. Thank you for watching.